Well, my friend Steve's gonna love this. It's crazy, man. Smile for the camera. This looks like a Portland bridge. They're similar to this.
An old Florida bridge.
Yeah, old one.
We're going to talk about misuse of prime real estate. But again, this is downtown.
Yeah, why? Yeah,
The jail.
that's the jail, right on the river. Well, they want to get, you know, you can't just have any jail in a place like Fort Lauderdale.
It is a jail.
Yeah, but I mean, is that the Fort Lauderdale jail?
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, see, they gotta have, it's gotta, even the jail has to be in luxurious, probably very luxurious inside even. That's funny. Look, it's big too. Halftime. Yes, indeed. Medora. So they're all lined up here, probably having lunch or something. Here's one registered right here, Fort Lauderdale.
It's a party though.
Yeah, as you can see. How about this little black thing? Now what?